Hello guys, today I will show you how you can animate this Google display banner ad. So we can export this as a GIF and upload it to our Google display banner ad campaigns. So we have created this banner in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, please watch that video first, and after completing that you can continue watching this video. We can start to animate this banner. Just go to Windows and click on the timeline. Here timeline panel will show. Now you will select create frame animations. Okay, so on the first frame we will hide all the text from our banner. Okay, travel, and like this we will hide all the text from our banner like this. This is the button and the text. Okay, now from the first frame we hide all the text layers. We can add second frame by clicking on that icon here. Just click on the eye icon on the left side of the text layer. Okay, now the world, now the body text, now the button, and the last text. Okay, we can set the time of this frame to 0.5 seconds. Okay, but on the last keyframe we can set it to 2 seconds. Okay, now we can just change the color of this button. We can duplicate that by Ctrl J and set the color to this one. Okay, on this frame 7 we can show this top layer, and after that we can hide. Once again we can show this one, and once again like this. Okay, we have to set these frame time to 0.5 seconds. Okay, so now we have to set the duration of this animation. We can set it to 3 times because we have to keep in mind that Google accept only 30 seconds GIF banner ads. So we have to make sure that all our timing should not increase above the 30 seconds. Okay, it has to stop before 30 seconds, otherwise Google will reject our banners. Okay, now we can press Ctrl or Shift and S, save it as for web. Okay, we can select it GIF. Okay, we have to make sure that it should below the 150 kilobytes because Google Ads accepts the banners on under 150 kb. Okay, now you can save it to desired destination. Okay, we can save it here. Now we can preview this one. This one is our GIF banner ad. We can right click on it, open with Internet Explorer, and we can see how it looks. Okay, now this will repeat. One thing I forgot to mention, whenever our background is white, we have to put a border around our banner, because it is recommended from Google that we put border around our banner. So I will create the shape layer. Okay, width will be 970 by 250. Okay, press it. Okay, move it to top of the all layers. Okay, by Control Shift and the bracket key. Okay, I will center this one like this. Okay, fill will be 0%, and I will add just a border around it. Okay, stroke 1 pixel. I can use this gray border around our banner. So basically this border has to be set at the before the beginning of these of this frame. Okay, now I will just copy this layer style, select each frame, and paste the layer style. Okay, now we can preview this by pressing it the space bar. It will show like this. Okay, but at the last frame it shows that it is not aligned properly. It shows here, so we have to, by Control A, will marquee all over banner. Now we can align it to center and middle. Okay, now we have to save again like this and save it. Now we can preview this once again. Now you see that there is a saddle border around our banner, which look good. So here is the gift banner which we created. Now thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting and more informative videos for you. If you have any questions, please write your comment in below. I will try my best to answer your questions and concerns. If you need any help, please visit my website hamiddesigner.com and leave me a message. I will try my best to respond to your queries, and if you need any help, please do let me know. It will be a pleasure for me to help you in any way. Thank you very much and take care. Bye bye.